Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to find trending topics for YouTube videos with Google Trends. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to find trending topics for YouTube videos with Google Trends, first thing you can do is go to trends.google.com. Here you can see the trends, explore what your country is searching for right now. You can see the trending topics here, and it will explain why it is trending right now. Made with Trends, see how Google Trends is being used across the world, by newsroom, charities, and more. There are also some Google Trends that is recommended here. For example, this Google Trends experiment. Now, get started with Trends. New to Trends? Browse these resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. What is Google Trends? Basics of Google Trends, understanding the data, and advanced Google Trends. Let's start with what is Google Trends. See what is trending across Google Search, Google News, and YouTube. So how Trends works? Google Trends allows you to see the topics people are or aren't following, practically in real time. Journalists can use this information to explore potential story ideas, and can also feature trends data within news stories to illustrate a general level of internet in, say, a political candidate, social issue, or event. The Google Trends homepage, google.com or Trends, feature clustered topics that Google detects are related and trending together on either Search, Google News, or YouTube. Trending stories are collected based on Google's knowledge graph technology, which gathers search information from those three Google platforms to detect when stories are trending based on the relative spike in volume and the absolute volume of searches. The featured insights at the top of the new Google Trends homepage are curated by News Lab to highlight additional data patterns or interesting trends. The Trends homepage includes what topics are trending right now, which can be helpful when choosing a story to write about. To explore how Google data can be used to tell stories, click one of examples under Latest Stories and Insights. Now, you can also explore your own topics. In addition to what you see on homepage, you can explore and gauge interest in virtually any topic, which can be useful for developing story ideas. Let's say you're doing a story on the US presidential election, and you want to compare the election process with that of India's general elections happening in the same year. You can use the Trends search bar. The first step is enter the India general election in the Google Trends search bar at the top of the homepage. Press Return to see your results. Step 2. Your results page will feature data visualizations for interest over time and interest by subregion, as well as list of related topics and related queries. Step 3. You can add topics for simultaneous comparison by clicking plus, compare, and typing in your search term. Step 4. To remove or edit a topic, hover over its box and click the three dots that appear, then click Remove. Step 5. You can also search for multiple terms simultaneously just by writing them into the Add a Search Term box. Now, you can also compare groups of terms. Like for example, you can compare up to 5 groups of terms at one time and up to 25 terms in each group. Explore by language. If you enter a search term using non-Latin characters, you'll see data from all countries or regions that use those characters. You can easily compare searches of the same term in different languages. narrowing or expanding your search by geography and time. You can see the data here and more about trends. The question is, what factors does Google use to determine which topics are trending? The first is relative spike in search volume and the absolute volume of searches. Second, absolute volume of searches and keyword frequency. Third, overall spike in search volume. And the last one, a proprietary algorithm that measures search volume, keywords, historical search data, and where searches originate. What is Google Trends? Google Trends tell us what people are searching for in real time. We can use this data to measure search interest in a particular topic, in a particular place, and at a particular time. This lesson will teach you how Google Trends work and will empower you to interpret data for yourself. Number 1, selecting a topic. Number 2, reading the interest over time graph. Number 3, understanding the numbers. Number 4, searches by location. Number 5, top and rising searches. And number 6, data excluded from search. You can see these recommended topics for you that you can use on your video. Now, let's search for a certain topic and compare it to another. For example, let's write TikTok. Then click on search. Then, you also have to compare it with another. Let's try to compare it with Twitter. You can now see this data and the recommended topics that you can use on your videos. And to see the trending now, you can click on menu and click on trending now. Then, you can see the top 20 topics that are trending. You can use it as your inspiration or reference for your next video. You can see the daily trending and the trending on real time. You can click on a certain topic to see the data and the article. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to find trending topics that you can use for your video on YouTube. If you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section below. See you on the next video.